Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a special video. I'm actually so excited about this video. It is a Colourpop haul, and if you don't know what Colourpop is, it is like this really cheap, affordable makeup brand. Like, I can afford their stuff, but it's not like low quality. It's actually pretty good quality. I love Colourpop. Not so fond of their customer service and like shipping aspects. Most of the time I have to pay for my box, and there's been like the 3 times where I haven't, and I'm so confused about it. And then with this one, I didn't get shipping information or anything, and it showed up, and I literally ordered this a week ago, which is weird because last time it took 2 months for it to come. So like, it's just really weird, and I was really not expecting it to come because of this new collection they come out. I'm sure they were swamped with orders. But anyways, I'm going to stop rambling and just get into this video. If this is the first time you've ever seen my face before on my channel, I post new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Make sure to subscribe, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and let's get on with this video. Okay, so Colourpop launched a Princess Disney collection, and you know I was on it. I love Disney, and I love like the princesses, not just because I'm a girl, but because like, maybe it's because I grew up with them, maybe. But I'm so excited to unbox this box for you. It says Made in LA, and the top of the box is really cute. It has ice cream on it and leaves and sunglasses. I think it's like a summery box, which is weird because it's fall. I'm just covering up my information. But I have not opened it yet. It is still sealed. You can see, still sealed, so we're gonna crack this open. I didn't get the whole collection. I was tempted to, but it sold out so fast. Like, it launched at like 10 o'clock last Friday, and at 9:50 I was on the site just waiting. 9:59 it said everything was sold out, and I was like, what? And then as soon as it hit 10, everything was there, except so much of it was already out of stock, like actually out of stock. So I was like, oh my goodness. Anyways, I need to stop rambling. I'm so excited. So this is definitely a summer box. You can see on the inside it says your summertime fun. Very summery, and you can see it's still packaged. Haven't touched it. I'm so excited. Okay, so on the top is just all my information of what I got. I got 7 things. I don't remember what I got. Oh, I got some like necessity things. And then the card's a little warped, but it said let's stick together. It's really cute. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay. So I'm going to start off with things that are out of the collection. First off, I just got the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. This is my holy grail favorite concealer, and I'm getting low on my shade, which is Light 14. Just the concealer. I love their concealers. It is like the best concealer, and it's $6. Like, what? So that is that. And then I haven't tried this before, but I thought I would. This is the No Filter Sheer Press Powder, and I got it in the shade Light. This was kind of a guess because I haven't used it before. I don't know how the shades run. So we will see how this works. This is what the packaging looks like. It's really cute. Their packaging is so simple, but so cute. And you just open it. Oh yeah, that's definitely going to be my color. So, cool. Yeah, we're good. So I'm pretty much out of my Sephora powder, so this is going to replace it. And then next we have, this is a Supernova Shadow. This is in, I think it's Love of My Life. I think that's what it is. It says LOML, which I think is Love of My Life. I could be completely wrong. So it is just this, like, I don't know how well the camera's going to pick up the color, but it is like this almost burgundy purple color, and I thought it was so pretty. Here, I will give you a swatch. Thought this would be a perfect color for the fall. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is so beautiful. Like, wow. So, I got that. Okay, so moving on to the Disney portion. I'm so excited because I got some of their Luxe lipsticks and I have not tried them. As you guys know, and if you saw, I did a lip declutter and I got rid of pretty much half my lipstick collection because I don't wear lipstick, and half of my collection that I still have is actually more than half is Colourpop. And so I thought I'd add lips to it. So the first one I got is Ariel, and I don't remember what this one is. The packaging is so cute. Like, look at that. Like, oh, it's so cute. And my camera probably won't focus on it. I don't want to wreck this packaging, so I'm going to try so hard not to. Oh, there we go. Okay. So, oh, the packaging. So, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but the packaging, it just has like their signatures all over it. So you can kind of see it has all the princesses' signatures on it. Okay, and so yes, this is in the shade Ariel. I'll have to open this. Oh, right. This is like a really fall nude. Not sure how well the camera will pick up the color again, but I will give you a swatch. Ooh. It's definitely a me color. It's very pretty. Okay, and then the next one, this is Cinderella, and now the reason I got Cinderella is because Cinderella is my absolute favorite princess. Don't know why, it just is. I'm not even sure if I like this color, but I just got it because it's Cinderella, like, come on. So again, it has all of the signatures on it. No, I think I could pull this color off. So it's like a nudie pink, I'd kind of say. It's kind of darker. I will swatch it for you. Okay, it swatches a little more pink, but you know what? I think I could handle it. It's Cinderella, like, come on. Okay, except this, it's not unwinding very well. Oh well. But so those are the Luxe lips. I've never tried them. I'm excited to try them. Also, if you guys want to see like a big Colourpop like review, an impression kind of video, because I have so much Colourpop stuff, let me know and I will probably do that. So those are the two colors there. So we have Ariel and Cinderella. Okay, and then moving on, I got one of the Super Shock shadows. I got this one because it's my favorite color and it is so beautiful and I'm so excited to play with it. So this is the Super Shock Shadow Ultra Glitter in a Whole New World, which is this glittery, I can't talk today. It's been a long day, guys. A glittery purple. Like, oh my god, it's so beautiful. I don't even want to touch it because I don't want to ruin it, but I will swatch it for you. Their Super Shock shadows are butter. Like, look at that. Wow. Oh, you can totally see that glitter. That is so beautiful. I cannot wait to play with that. Wow. And I really like the packaging of the Super Shock shadows. They're like black and then they have like the little castle on the top of it. So that's pretty cool. Where did my makeup light go? There it went. Okay. And now the last thing I got, very sad, but you guys probably already know, I did get the Princess palette. So excited for this. These are like beautiful colors. It's freaking Disney, like, come on. So this is what the packaging looks like. So it has all the princesses on it, and on the back just say all the colors and like the names of them, and then we open it up. Oh my goodness. And so this is what the palette looks like. So up here it has all their signatures again, and then look at those colors. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to play. And the names are so cute. Thingamabob. That's going to be so funny if I do a tutorial. Be like, okay, I'm using the shade Thingamabob. Aww. Ooh, my god, they're so pretty. I can't get over it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so that is all for this haul. I'm so excited for all of this stuff. Like, oh my gosh. I haven't bought makeup for myself in a long time. So I kind of thought, you know what? Why not? It's like a collection that's perfect for me. So I did it. I bought it. Wish I could have got it all, but honestly I wouldn't have used it all. I wouldn't have used the lip glosses, wouldn't have used all the lipstick. I might have used all the Super Shock shadows because I do use a lot of eyeshadow. Obviously I'm going to use the palette. I'm just so happy it came already and I can play with it. And yeah, well anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. I'm sorry I rambled a lot. I'm just so excited. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.